Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix photo swipe not working. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So it might be kind of frustrating if the swipe functionality in your TikTok application is not working properly. So there's a few ways for you to try and solve this one. So one of those ways is checking your cache. So at the bottom right of your screen, go ahead and click on your profile. And from here, click on the 3-bar icon or the hamburger icon that you see at the top right. Now from here, go to settings and privacy. And under settings and privacy, you want to go to free up space. So at the bottom section here, just scroll down a bit, click on free up space, and from here click on the clear button that you see there for cache. So once you click on it, just click on clear, and from here check if that solves your issue. Now another way for you to clear your cache is by press and holding on the TikTok application, go to app info, and from here click on clear data, and same thing, click on clear cache and click on OK. Now from here on, if this doesn't solve your issue, the next thing you want to do here is to see if there are any updates on TikTok. So go ahead, open up Google Play Store here, search for TikTok, and if you see any updates, make sure to install that, because sometimes our applications on our mobile phone will not be automatically updated, so you need to check if you have the latest version. Now in this case, if updating TikTok does not work, well, the best next thing that you could do here is just to basically uninstall TikTok and reinstalling it again on your mobile phone, and from there the problem should solve itself. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.